Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change pattern style in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and you can see here some data. In this data you can see the one pattern style is applied, therefore each data is showing the difference. Okay, so simply select the data to change the pattern style. Right click of the mouse and click on the format cell option and you can see the format cell dialog box is open. Then click on the field tab. In field tab have a pattern style option. So in pattern style you can see the selected pattern. In this preview also you can see the pattern preview showing. Okay, and to change to pattern style just click on the drop down arrow and you can see the selected pattern is showing here. Now you can easily change, just click on the different pattern and you can see in preview also pattern style is changed, and after that just click on OK and that's it, your pattern is applied different style. Okay, so that's it, hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.